Good morning, Honor Chem students. I'm wondering how you're doing with your long, oh my gosh, what'd you guys have? Like a 4-day weekend. You had Friday off and Monday off. I hope it was good. Weather was great. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I still really miss you. This is really starting to kind of get to be a drag, I have to tell you, teaching from my kitchen. Um, Super important that you guys stay focused with me. We have a short 3-day week this week because we have Friday off. But then we just have like some 5-day weeks before the Memorial Day, before you know it. And you guys are all doing so well. And the key to this game, I believe, is to just stay up with the work. We have a test coming up. So today, even though it's not highlighted here, because I'm actually recording this the night before, it's Monday night. You guys will be starting this on Tuesday morning. It's the entropy and Gibbs free energy, which will be opened up on tomorrow morning. And then Wednesday, review day. Thursday is the test, May 7th. So the test is going to be 25 multiple choice questions. A lot of them are going to be mathy problems, just like the worksheets that you are doing. So make sure that you are doing those worksheets and you know how to do those worksheets. The second portion of the test will not be a project this time. It is going to be a free response question. So it's going to be like a worksheet that you will have to print out, or if you do not have printing capabilities, you will have to neatly handwrite out the question, and then you are going to show your work in your own handwriting. Take a picture of that work, put it into a Word document, save it as a PDF, and turn it in. So the thing about Turnitin is we're not going to give you new codes. We're just going to deal with the codes that you had from term 3. So you will have to submit based on which class you were in term 3, and you should be able to remember that. So that's kind of the layout for the week. It's a short week, but again, my message to you guys is it's really important that you stay focused. And we can get through this. And again, remember, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm just an email away. We can do a Google Meet. If I need to do a phone conversation, we can do that too. But please don't hesitate to contact me, and I'm here to help. Hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, it's getting warm. It's great. All right. See you guys. Have a good one.